Ohayo gozaimasu. Ojamasu shimasu.
Hi, I'm Scott. I am a first year Japanese student here at Trinity College, and I'm going to show you around my room. So yeah, this is an average room. This is one of the rooms that most freshers get. I found it really spacious. It's got everything that I need. So it's like, this is where I spend most of my time. I mean, it's big, you've got a place to strew around all your papers, so I really like that. You've also got an internet port, so that like no matter what your laptop is, you can get really good internet, which is very important for work, but then what they don't tell you is it's really good for Netflix. So yeah, and then I've got stuff like an armchair here, which is the best and coziest place to relax. I brought this pillow from home. I'm a Japanese student, kind of obligatory to have the Great Wave in some way. A Japanese railway map. And then yeah, so that's how I've decorated my room. The bed is really cozy. Like, it's the UK. I came from Dubai where it's like 50 degrees in the summer. So I did not realize how cold it gets in the UK. So being able to snuggle up in bed is a big plus. And like, yeah, it's really cool. You can bring some stuff from home, so I brought a globe, because like, it's huggable, and also I love maps. It's got shelves where most of my clothes are, and I hang like only the necessities, or stuff I don't want to iron, and I just let it dry. And then here is my like wash closet area. And
Wow.
yeah, it's just a sink, but it's really convenient to have like somewhere to like dry your stuff and keep all your like stuff for hygiene in the morning. Yeah. So we have lots of baths and showers. They have amazing high water pressure, and like if you're sort of quite cold or you've done a lot of exercise, there is nothing I recommend more than a Trinity bath.
Bath and shower, okay.
And the bath fills up to the top.
Oh, you have.
So our kitchen, we don't have any hobs, but what Trinity did, or an oven, but what Trinity did is we've got 2 microwaves that act as ovens as well.
Okay.
So like, there's someone on our corridor who is called like the vegan master chef, because he has done like stir-fried tofu and everything just in the combi microwave. So it's very impressive, and I mean... So
does it change, do some kitchens have hobs as well in Trinity?
Yeah, most do. This is just an exception because of it set off the fire alarm one too many times. We're in the process of replacing it. Trinity's a massive college, and so lots of people you know are spread around. So like, to be able to go see people, like I admittedly spend a lot more time there than I should. And each room has its own price, but you're never going to be charged more than you can afford, and the rooms at Trinity are some of the cheapest in Cambridge. So for this room per week, I pay £110. So the cheapest room I think is £105 a week. It's around 2/3 of this size, but all the same amenities, same desk size, you've still got the sink, you've still got the wardrobe space. It's literally just the space on the floor.
The carpet,
yeah, the carpet, which, let's be real, is like the least important part of a room. The most expensive you can get as a fresher is £130 a week. There it's sort of, you've got like half a living room and then a bedroom. They're really nice, and they're the most common ones, but I put my bands as lower. So you write to the accommodation office, you say how much you're willing to pay and like which preferential order, like if you'd rather have like a cheap room or a nice room. And then pretty everyone I know who wrote in got the room they needed. To walk from here to the faculty is 10-15 minutes, depending on like how fast you are that day. By bike, 5 minutes. You walk to the shop, there's no point biking, it's 1 minute, it's 90 seconds out the door. Someone ran and they timed it and it took 45. To go into the centre of town, again, no need to bike, you're close enough that it's quicker to walk. But yeah, Trinity is really close to everything. A lot of the time people, when they come to Cambridge, are like, oh, I don't know how sort of welcoming everyone will be, but everyone is in the same boat as you. Everyone is looking to make friends. So you are in an environment with like 150 other people, all like dying to meet people, dying to make connections, just like they're just going to create a really tight-knit community. Like just last night we had our Bridgemas Bop, the Cambridge Christmas Bop, and drinks were free. Drinks were free, and you got to see everyone that you'd met over the past 6 weeks, and it was just really nice. It was at that point I just thought, this is my home away from home. So yeah, I mean, it's a really nice, tight-knit community.
Nice. So this is Trinity Bar.
They just renovated it. So
My gosh, this is massive.
yeah, I mean, to try fit all our students, it has to be.
これはね、学生寮なのバー。びっくりなんだわ。